Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. And today's tutorial is about the front post stitch and the back post stitch. The front and the back post stitch are stitches that can be used with a single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, and so on. You can just use it with all the basic stitches. I am going to do the sample today for you of the post front double crochet and the back post double crochet because it's easier to demonstrate it. This one is made with a double crochet, so this is the front post and this is the back post. This is a stitch that it's very useful for different kind of ribbons and also it's very useful for the ends of sweaters or the beginnings at the top of the hats. Also it's very useful for a new handbag 3D leaf that is recently very popular on YouTube. So before I start this tutorial, I just want to do a quick reminder to check my Instagram and also check my Facebook group and also check my Pinterest page and my Etsy shop where you can find a lot of tapestry crochet and mochila patterns to support my work. And also please give this video thumbs up and share it with your friends so you can help my YouTube channel grow, and let me know in the comments down below what do you want to see and what other content do you want to see from me. If you are new in my channel, I hope you are considering to subscribe. Click that subscribe button and also the bell so you will be notified for all my new videos coming up. And without further ado, let's just get into it. Firstly, we're going to start with the base double crochet row. I'm going to do a slip knot. This is a stitch with the multiples of 2, so you can do as many stitches as long as it's double. I'm gonna do 10 chain stitches. 1, 2. If you are a beginner and you want to know what is a slip knot and a chain stitch, I have a tutorial for that and I will link it up here so you can check that tutorial and come back. So here I have 10 chain stitches, and because I'm working with a double crochet, I need 2 stitches left on the side, so I will yarn under and I will insert the hook at chain number 3. 1, 2, 3, insert the hook. And I'm just going to do a normal double crochet. So I will just work all the stitches one by one with a double crochet until the end. If you don't know what a double crochet is, I have a tutorial for that, a beginner's tutorial, so I will link that up here so you can check that tutorial and come back here. And also I will just continue doing the double crochet until the end. Okay, so once I'm done with my first row with the normal double crochet stitches, I will do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and I will turn my work. So these 2 chain stitches over here correspond to this double crochet stitch over here. So I'm done with this one, and the next one I'm going to start and do the front post double crochet. So how do you do the front post double crochet? Just yarn under, and then we are going to take the second stitch, which is over here, and we are going to insert the hook right at the back and at the other side like this. We're just going to insert the hook like this, and we are going to bring the post in the front. So I am going to yarn under and pull through the stitch, the post, and bring up. So now I have 1, 2, 3 loops, and I will just close as a normal double crochet. First 2 loops and then the last 2 loops. So this is the front post double crochet. As I told you, you can do that with a single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, and so on. So this is how you do a front post double crochet. Let's do a back post double crochet. We are just going to yarn under, and then now to the next stitch. We are not going to pull the post in the front, but we are actually going to pull the post in the back. We are going to insert the hook from the back. So this is the stitch, then from one side to the other one, and like this we have pull it in the back, the post, yarn under, pull through the post. So now pull it up a little bit, bring it like up like this. Like this, you are pulling the post in the back. So we have 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, and we are just going to close these 3 loops as a normal double crochet. So here it is, a back post. So this is a front post, which from the word front you bring the stitch in the front, and then this is a back post, so you bring the post in the back. So now the next one that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a front post again, yarn under. So at the next stitch I will insert the hook from the back, from one side to the other one, to the other side, and then bring the post in the front and pull up, and I will just close as a normal double crochet. And a back post now, from the back to the side like this, pull up and close as a double crochet. Here it is, front post, back post, front post, back post, and I will just keep doing that until the end. So front post, and back post, so at the last stitch I will just do a normal double crochet. So I will insert the hook and I will do a double crochet, no back post or front post. So here is how you do in one side. So now I will do in the back. So I will do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, I will turn my work in the other side. This chain stitch that I did over here corresponds to the double crochet at the bottom. So now what I'm gonna do is, the next stitch for me here is a back post, but actually here is a front post, right, to the other side. So I'm just going to do this as a back post, okay? So I will do a back post here. So I will keep the back post going. Then the next stitch for me here, it's pulled in the front, which for me on this side is a front post, but actually on the other side we did it as a back post, right? Maybe it's a little bit confusing for you, but I think you understand the logic. So because it's pulled on the front of me, this post, so I will do a front post. Insert the hook from one side to the other one and do a front post and close like a normal double crochet. It will look like this. So you can see the next stitch is pulled in the back, so it will be a back post. And then this is pulled in the front, so it will be a front post. Keep working all one by one, front post, back post, as you see the stitch. Okay, so now the last stitch, I usually like to do it as a normal double crochet or a single crochet or half double crochet, depends on the stitch that you are working with. The last one I always do a normal one. So here we are. So it will look like this in one side, like this in the other side. Okay, so you are just going to repeat now the same action that I did. 2 chain stitches, turn around. So this chain stitch here corresponds to the double crochet that we did previous row. So as you can see here, this next stitch is in the front, so this is going to be a front post double crochet. The next stitch is pulled in the back, so the next one is going to be back post double crochet. And so on. This is how it is going to look like, and you keep working like this as long as you need the work to be as high. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it's very helpful for you. I hope you are considering to subscribe if you are new. Give this video a thumbs up as I told you, and please follow me in my other social media platforms, and I will see you on my next tutorial.